Carter's Quest. Today I'm going to be talking about subways, buses, and trains. Did you know a bus is a vehicle that can carry up to 300 people? Buses are used for many different reasons: scheduled bus or coach transport, private hires, school transport, or tourism. A train is a form of rail transport with a series of connecting cars. They can transport people or cargo. Passenger trains transport people from city to city or even country to country. Trains have been a popular form of transportation since the 19th century. When the first steam train was built in 1804, people were worried that the speed would make passengers unable to breathe or that they would be shaken unconscious by the vibration. Did you know a subway is a train in an underground tunnel? It is a good way to get around in major cities. A subway is also called underground, tube, or metro. A subway has lots of train cars. Thanks for watching. Hope you like and subscribe.